గంట తర్వాత ఎవరో రోడ్ల మీద తిరగడానికి లేదు. తుఫాను చాలా బీభత్సంగా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి అందరూ పునరావాసం.
NDRF has been on alert since this formation of the Cyclone Montha has started, and we are observing the bulletins which are being published, which are being issued by the IMD. And as per the latest trends, the movement speed has slowed down a bit. However, the winds, the speed, the current gusty winds, they are flowing at around 90 to 110 kilometers per hour. And it is moving northwestwards and likely to strike the coast of Andhra Pradesh.
So how have been deployed at the different coastal areas of the southern and southern East India?
So total our 26 teams are presently deployed in active ops, and we are having around 19 teams in reserve. And out of those 26, maximum 12 teams are in Andhra Pradesh, because that is the area where it is likely to impact more. Then 6 teams, they are in Odisha, and some part of the north, Tamil Nadu, is also likely to be affected. So there are 3 teams deployed there. And recently, yesterday, we have deployed some teams in Telangana also and Chhattisgarh also.
Specific coastal areas identified for team deployment.
So basically, whenever such situation arises, NDRF, in consultation with the state SEOCs and the SDMAs and the local DDMAs, we sit together, coordinate, and then discuss what are the likely points of where this cyclone is going to affect, and accordingly the plan is finalized for deployment of NDRF teams. Because SDRF teams are also there, so we are deployed in coordination with the deployment, so that any area is not left unnoticed.
So how is it going on between the NDRF and state teams along with the local administrative authorities?
So NDRF, normally it works in coordination with the states only, and that coordination has been very perfect. As far as this Cyclone Montha is concerned, our local CO, whose AOR is there, he is already there on ground. He is presently positioned at Kakinada, and looking after all the scenario in coordination with the state authorities.
What kind of specialized rescue tools, evacuation and relief materials are being used at the coastal areas for the protection of the people living there?
Basically, whenever the cyclone hits the land surfaces, the communication lines are badly affected. So we are equipped with all the cutting tools and the communication equipment, so that in case of any urgent requirement, people can communicate and help the others also who are there on ground. So for communicating to their relatives, or in any other cases wherever it is required. So first task is to keep the communication lines open. So that is the main motive.